Here I've got Huawei P Smart Z, and let me show you how to add photo to a contact on the following device. So at first you have to open the contacts, then select the one that you would like to add this profile picture to, so in my case it's Tim, then select edit, so it's the icon in the middle of the lower screen, and then tap on the camera icon right there. And now it's time to select if you would like to take a photo right now, so if somebody is staying right in front of you, that's the perfect option, or you can choose something from the gallery, and this is what I will do. Then go to the album that you would like to pick this profile picture from. Let me choose this one. Now we can customize it. It can be this way, and then just click on confirmation mark to save it. Tap on it one more time. And that's it. As you can see, now we've got this profile picture assigned to Tim, and every time he will be calling you, you will see this profile picture at first. So that's basically all. This is how you can add photo to a contact in your Huawei. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.